A loud cheer went up outside the court as news of the judgment broke. The 7-judge Supreme Court bench had to decide whether Sri Lanka's President Maithripala Sirisena had the authority to sack the entire parliament earlier last month. On Thursday, it said he didn't. Their decision was in response to a series of petitions that said the Constitution does not allow the President to dissolve Parliament before it completes 4.5 years of its term.
The first case in which court actually reviewed an act of an executive president and declared it to be void.
The President dissolved Parliament during a political crisis he triggered when he sacked Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe on 26 October and replaced him with former President Mahinda Rajapaksa. Wickremesinghe challenged the decision, insisting he commanded the majority in Parliament. Both Sirisena and Rajapaksa claimed otherwise, but when they couldn't prove it, the President dissolved Parliament.
This particular landmark decision will give one clear message to all, rulers and the ruled, that if we are citizens of our country, we have to respect the rule of law.
Despite coming to power in 2015, Wickremesinghe lost credibility for not keeping election promises to stamp out corruption and bring previous offenders to justice. But the President's move to remove him in such a controversial way brought him wide support.
No matter what side of the political divide you're on, one thing is clear. The verdict delivered by the Supreme Court today is historic for Sri Lanka. The fact that the country's highest court found the actions of the executive president unconstitutional. But whether this changes the immediate political crisis remains to be seen. Minelle Fernandez, Al Jazeera, Colombo.